Anjir, nasi doang, iya. Sampai jam berapa, Ci? Emang udah berapa jam, anjir? Oh, udah 3 jam ya? Nanti deh. Oh iya, ada. Nanti gimana ya, guys? Baby, it's all wrong. We're the plans we made for two. Okay, yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to cry? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. You wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Kenapa ada suara cowok, kaget aku? Still stuck in that time when we call it love, but even the sunset in paradise. I'm at the payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after did exist. I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more fucking love song I'll be singing. You turned on to tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you your love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know you said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed. Aku jadi ngikutin ini, anjir. We call it love, but even the sunset in paradise. I'm like a payphone trying to go home. All of my things I spent on you. Where are the times go, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? In happy ever after this, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song I'll be singing. No, I'm at the payphone. That shit. I'll be spending all this money while you're sitting my own way. I wanna know how to go, nothing better from the bottom. When you see me, I'm stunting. All the cars that stop, push a button, telling me the chances I love up forever, you call it. Aku nggak tahu beatnya kayak gimana, tapi kita nyanyiin aja ya, guys. This what a shame, good God pick. Every heart got shame, but you miss. Shall you talk about who you're the temper? Real show. Phantom full of open doors, feels like go away like you was before. You can't go, that little piece of shit.